Alright, so you've seen the ads for VidCash, right? The ones promising easy money just for watching videos or downloading other apps? Let's cut through the hype and get real about what's actually happening with VidCash as of January 2026. I dove into hundreds of recent user reviews, and the verdict is not looking good. Picture this: you spend weeks, maybe even months, watching ad after ad, stacking up coins, reaching that magic withdrawal number. But when it's time to cash out? Nada. Silence. Or worse, your request just straight up vanishes. Some folks said the app eventually tossed them a payout, like 9 cents after all that effort, not the $25 they were promised. And if you thought you'd at least rack up coins fast, think again. The second you get close to a real payout, your balance might freeze, disappear, or the app suddenly can't verify your account. Oh, and the ads, non-stop. Seriously, every few clicks, it's another barrage. It feels less like you're making money, and more like you are the money, for the app developers, that is. Don't expect help either. Users report that customer support is basically a ghost town. No replies, no fixes, just frustration. So here's the bottom line. VidCash looks like a textbook example of a low-payout, ad farming app. Tons of effort, barely any return, and your data might be getting shared without your knowledge. My advice? Don't waste your time hoping for easy cash here. If something sounds too good to be true, especially in the world of quick money apps, it probably is.